Welcome to our new module, Journey Towards Gender Equality. In this module, we will learn about gender sensitization and what that means. We will learn a brief history of women's empowerment in India. We will learn about the laws and policies that have been made to change the situation of discrimination towards equality. We will also learn about gender analysis frameworks. We will learn about gender equality and what men have to do with it. There, we will change gears and talk about stories of change. We will learn about how to bring about gender equality at home, in the workplace, and in public spaces. We hope that you will find this module useful for changes in your life and in your workspace. You must all have heard of the word gender sensitization. Many of you must have been wondering what it means. In this session, we will be discussing what is the meaning of gender sensitization and how do we become gender sensitive. Well, you have all heard the term gender difference and gender and sex. Sex and gender refers to the differences between men and women. Sex refers to the biological differences in the sense that when a child is born, a male child is born with a penis and a female child is born with a vulva. There is nothing else which is different. As they grow up, other bodily features start developing and we know who is a male and who is a female much more clearly. Gender is the social distinction between boys and girls. What a boy is supposed to do is different from what a girl is supposed to do. Men become masculine, women become feminine. And what is a biological difference clearly now becomes a social difference, and that is called gender difference.